Good afternoon, student. Last lecture we discussed petroleum, these points in detail. Today's lecture we discuss natural gas and limitations of natural resources. These 2 points we are discussed in details today's lectures. Okay, we will start here. First we see various fractions of petroleum and their uses. Here we see one chart. Here we see name of fractions, boiling point, number of carbon atoms and uses. Okay. First point is the gases. First point is the gases. Gases boiling point is up to 20 degree Celsius. Up to 20 degree Celsius. And number of carbon atoms is 1 to 4. And gases also used in the gaseous fuels. Also used in the gaseous fuel. Then second point is the petrol. Second point is the petrols. Petrol's boiling point is 30 to 120 degree Celsius, and its number of carbon atoms is 5 to 7. 5 to 7, and its use is as a fuel for automobile engines and in a dry cleaning. Petrol is also used in automobiles engines and in a dry cleaning. Then next one is the naphtha. Their boiling point is 120 to 180 degree Celsius, and carbon atom is 8 to 10, and its use is as a raw material for manufacturing petrochemicals मॅन्युफॅक्चर्स करण्यासाठी रॉ मटेरियल्स म्हणून ते यूज केलं जातं. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज केरोसिन. नेक्स्ट वन पॉइंट इज केरोसिन. Kerosin's boiling point is 180 to 260 degree Celsius, and number of carbon atoms is 10 to 40. Number of carbon atoms is 10 to 40, and their use is as a household fuel and fuel for jet engine. As a household fuel and fuel jet engines. Then next point is diesel oil. Next point is diesel oil. Diesel oil boiling point is 260 to 340 degree Celsius, and number of carbon atom is 40 to 20. Number of carbon atom is 40 to 20, and their use is as a fuel for heavy engines such as those in trucks, tractors and diesels, locomotives, etc. Then next one is the lubricating oil and waxes. Next one is the lubricating oil and waxes. Their boiling point is over 340 degree Celsius, and number of carbon atom is above 20, and its uses is in making grippy and for lubricating in machines and engine. Paraffin wax is used for the ointments for candles, waistlines, etc. Then next one is the fuel oil. Fuel oil is boiling point is the over 500 degree Celsius, and number of carbon atom is the large, and it is also used in a fuel for ships and power station. Fuel for ships and power station. Then next one is the asphalt. Boiling point is no, and their number of carbon atom is very large. Number of carbon atom is very large, and it is used in for road surfaces. Okay. Then we see next point, natural gases. Natural gas. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Natural gas is a fossil fuel. Natural gas is a fossil fuel. which is found deep under the earth between the two layers of impervious rock. Last lecture in Petroleum Point, we discussed about the layers about the impervious rocks. Okay, either above or along with the petroleum deposits. It is produced abundantly in marshy area. Natural gas consists of mixture of methane and ethane. Natural gas consists of mixture of methane and ethane. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas stands for CNG. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. It is an efficient and convenient fuel because it does not produce any ash or smoke on the burning. Does not produce any ash or smoking on burning. CNG is highly inflammable and it is supplied through the pipeline. Such pipelines exist in the Vadodara in Gujarat and some parts in the Delhi. India has vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in the Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. In this place, Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta. In this place we form a natural gas. The great advantages of using CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in home, in homes and फॅक्टरीज वेअर इट इज सप्लायड थ्रू द पाईप. म्हणजे ह्याचा काय मेन फायदा आहे तर ॲडव्हान्टेजेस काय आहे CNGचा, जे आपण ते डिरेक्टली घरगुती वापरासाठी किंवा फॅक्टरीजमध्ये पाईप थ्रू आपण ते यूज करू शकतो. देन वी सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हियर, uses of natural gas. First one use is the natural gas is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Natural gas is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Then next use is it is used as fuel in the thermal power stations for generating electricity. Second use काय सांगितलं यांनी, it is used as fuel in thermal power stations for generating electricity. Then third one use is it is used as fuel for transport vehicle. It is used as fuel for transport vehicle. Then next one use is it is used as source of hydrogen gas needed to manufacture fertilizers. It is used as source of hydrogen gas needed to manufacture fertilizers. Okay, then we see next point here, limitations of natural resources. Natural resources चे काय limitations असतात ते आपण इथे बघणार आहोत. Fossil fuel like coal, petroleum, etc. are needs of millions of years to get transported from dead bodies to fuel. म्हणजे यांनी काय सांगितले लिमिटेशन बघा, जेव्हा पेट्रोलियम हे तयार होतं तेव्हा काय होतं तर भरपूर वर्षांचा कालावधी जातो. कशामध्ये, डेड बॉडीज पासून फ्युएल तयार होण्यासाठी भरपूर वर्षांचा कालावधी जातो. बट करंटली देअर डिमांड्स आर सो हाय दॅट आफ्टर फ्यू हंड्रेड इयर्स देअर विल बी scarcity of these resources. In addition, too much of air pollution is caused when these fuels are burned. ते fuels burn केल्यामुळे काय होतं तर too much of air pollution हे मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये होतं. And these fuels are also responsible for the problems associated with the global warming. मग हे कशासाठी प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रिएट होतात, तर ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंगसाठी हे प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रिएट होऊ शकतात. हेन्स इट इज व्हेरी मच इम्पॉर्टंट टू यूज द फ्युएल्स वाईजली. आपण काळजीपूर्वक या फ्युएलचा यूज केला पाहिजे. सम प्रिव्हेंटिंग मेजर्स टू सेव्ह फ्युएल्स बाय पेट्रोलियम Conservation Research Association stands for PCRA are drive vehicles at average and constant speed. म्हणजे जे PCRA ची जी कमिटी आहे त्यांनी ते फ्युएल सेव्ह करण्यासाठी काही रूल्स सांगितले. त्यांनी काय सांगितले, ड्राईव्ह व्हेकल्स ॲट ॲव्हरेज अँड कॉन्स्टंट स्पीड. देन सेकंड वन इज व्हेन नॉट नेसेसरी शट डाऊन द व्हेकल्स इंजिन. जेव्हा गरज नसते तेव्हा गाडीचं इंजिन किंवा गाडी तुमची बंद करा. मेक शुअर प्रेशर इन टायर्स इज करेक्ट. टायर्समध्ये प्रेशर्स किंवा हवा ही करेक्ट ठेवा. ऑलवेज कीप व्हेकल्स अंडर गुड कंडिशन. तुमचे जे व्हेकल आहे, तुमचं जे काही वाहन आहे ते कशा कंडिशनमध्ये ठेवा, तर गुड कंडिशनमध्ये ठेवा. ओके. Now here our lesson is over. In this lesson we discuss natural resources, fuel, coal, petroleum, natural gases and limitations of natural resources. These all points we are discussed in details in this lesson. I hope everyone understood these lessons in details. Then next lecture we will start our new lesson, our lesson number 6. Thank you.